Welcome back everyone, Junior Dev here. Welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna start building our components, and first component that we're gonna be building is Navbar component or Navbar section. So let's get started. I already provide the assets folder, so you don't need to, and we don't need to type all the data that we're gonna provide inside this project or images. That's all gonna be inside the GitHub repository, so you can download it and start building the project. Okay, let's create a new folder, name components. Inside that folder we're gonna have, let's create more folders. Let's create a main. That's gonna be our parent for all the components. So let's call it main.jsx, create it, and let's provide it over here. So main, and let's import main from components main. Okay, everything is okay. Another folder gonna be navbar, and inside the navbar folder let's create navbar file.jsx, and that navbar file gonna be imported inside the main component navbar. So let's press enter and import it. Let's go here. Okay, project. Okay, it's over here. So we are displaying the navbar. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna start adding elements to our navbar component. Okay, let's start it. Let's add a div, and that div gonna have the class name, and that class name gonna be black. It's gonna be padding of 2 and width of full, and inside that component we're gonna have h3 element, and that h3 gonna have some text. Welcome all, and let's add class name for that too. It's gonna be text white, font it's gonna be inter as we provided in our tailwind config in the initial setup. So let's go back here, need this. Then we're gonna have text is gonna be 2XL, font bold. After that, tracking gonna be normal, and leading is gonna be none. And we're gonna add text center as well. So let's check it out. As you can see, this is our navbar at the top. Under that div, we're gonna have another div, but for another div, we need to go outside. So we need to provide these tags, because we cannot have two more divs, or like two parent divs. Okay, so for that we can get rid of this, and now we get like two divs. If we remove those tags, we cannot put two divs. So remember that. Let's add a class name for that. It's gonna be flex, justify around, items, it's gonna be center. And inside that div, we're gonna have two more divs. In the first div, we're gonna provide the image, and that image gonna be logo for us with alt tag something like store, and that image gonna be imported at the top. Import logo from assets, and it's gonna be images, and it's gonna be logo.png. Okay, let's check it out. This is our image of a logo. we need to style it a bit. So let's add a class name to it. Let's say the height of 28 and width is gonna be full. Okay. Under that div, let's make another div. That div gonna have the button, logout. Let's provide a logout and let's add class name to it. It's gonna be flex, row items, gonna be centered. And for the logout, we can copy this, provide it here, class name, provide all the styling. And what can we change? We can put margin right here. And text can be black. So let's leave it at the default. Okay, check it out. Here's our logout, but let's make it smaller. It's gonna be text base. So let's add text base here. And here is our logout, and it's not gonna be bold. Let's provide medium. Let's check it out, and it's here. Nice. Under that logout button, let's provide another div with a class name of flex, flex row times center. Inside that div, let's provide SVG. The first SVG that we're gonna have is a heart. So let's go to hero icons and let's add this SVG. So simply copy the SVG from hero icons, provide it here, and now you will need to change this to capital letters because console log gonna scream at you with the errors. So let's change that. And yeah, when that is covered, let's see what we're gonna add for the styling of that SVG. We can add the black color here for the current color, and let's make it like wider there. So let's go back, and here is our icon. And under that icon, we will provide some text. So let's add a p tag here, and p tag it's gonna be wish list. Let's add capital, and as well let's add some styling. Class name, and it's gonna be item. It's gonna be font inter. Let's copy it from here. Let's see. So we don't need to type everything. Margin, let's provide 2 and let's check it out. Okay, this is our wish list. Maybe more margin. Think it's okay with a 2. And what if we add flex, row items, center? I think that's not gonna change anything. Yeah, let's remove that and leave it as it is. Okay, nice. Under that div, we're gonna have another div with the same properties, I would say. Class name, it's gonna be flex, row, items, center, cursor, it's gonna be pointer. And then let's provide SVG. For that, we will need another SVG. Let's search for a shopping bag. Copy that, provide it here, change it to the capital letters. And current color is gonna be black. And it's gonna be 2 as well. After that, let's copy this, provide it under the SVG, and provide text of a shopping bag. Okay, text base, font inter, tracking, margin, remove, and this is our shopping bag. Okay, after that, so under those divs, let's provide another div, and that div gonna have the class name with pg black, padding of the 4, width of the full, justify around, and inside we're gonna have 3 divs. So first div gonna have 50% of off, and let's provide this class name. Font inter text base, let's provide it text white because background is black, and that's it. As you can see, it's over here. Let's copy 2 more times, provide it down there, just change the text to free shipping and returns. And after that, we're gonna provide different payment methods here. Different payment methods. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, we need to fix something. We are missing the flex here. And as you can see, this is our Navbar section. Okay, our Navbar section is pretty much done for now with the styling. And in the next video, we're gonna be building a slider under that carousel with Redux toolkit. Okay, see you everyone next time. Bye.